Fourth generation HIV test false negative. Hello folks, it's Mark Medicals here teaching you about HIV infection like HIV treatment, HIV symptoms, and all about HIV transmission. In this video, you learn about the following. 1. What is a fourth generation HIV test? 2. Can you be HIV positive and test negative? 3. False negative HIV test causes. 3. Fourth generation HIV test false negative. Alright, here we go guys. 1. What is a fourth generation HIV test? As you already know guys, we have around 3 methods by which you can test for HIV, and using a fourth generation test kit is one of them. Any HIV testing method that can detect both HIV antibodies and HIV antigens is called a fourth generation HIV test kit. Examples are ELISA or EUA, and some CLIA or ECLIA test kits. Fourth generation HIV tests are also called combo HIV kits. 2. Can you be HIV positive and test negative? Yes, you could be living with HIV but test HIV negative. In my practice, I have seen more than 5 cases who tested positive at 4 months but all along had been testing negative. But all of them were using antibody-only HIV testing kits. But I need to stress that such scenarios are very rare today because we have very advanced HIV testing kits, hence no worries. Also, remember the 2 ladies I spoke about in our last videos who kept testing negative for 2 years until HIV RNA test kits were able to detect their HIV. But that was many years ago when testing kits like 4th generation kits were not in existence. Those 2 ladies were elite HIV controllers, so antibody-only rapid tests always gave false test results till a PCR was done. 3. False negative HIV test causes. Irrespective of any testing kits used, there is a likelihood of obtaining false test results. The most common causes of false negative test results are testing before the window period. The lab technician could have misread or mislabeled your results, your blood sample could have gotten contaminated, flu vaccines, and using a blood sample instead of saliva or urine offers higher testing accuracy. Question: does the 4th generation also give false negative results? 4. Fourth generation HIV test false negative. Just like other HIV testing kits, 4th gen testing kits have the potential of coming up negative yet you are living with HIV. According to a paper by Taylor et al., their research data suggests that the probability of a false negative 4th generation test at 28 days is 8%, but 0% at 50 days. So as you see guys, 8 out of 100 people getting a false negative test is a very large number of people. The good thing is that, the paper says that, the 4th generation test kits are 100% accurate after 50 days. Therefore, your test results will be 100% accurate, or will be conclusive after 50 days if we are to go by the research findings. I also need to remind you that, the only way to know if you have HIV or not is by having a blood test. The presence of symptoms has nothing to do with HIV if your test results are negative as long as you tested at the right time. Also, you guys should know that early HIV testing helps in the early initiation of HIV treatment leading to undetectable viral load. People with undetectable viral load have HIV symptom-free lives, and also have 0 chances of HIV transmission to loved ones.